What's up, guys? This is me, Jerry, with another video. Today we're gonna get started with the front end, but before we get started with the front end, I just wanted to let you know a little bit about me. I'm still camera shy, so I'm not that great with the camera by no means. I mean, that's why I don't know if you've seen other videos or my other videos. I'm really nervous, and when I'm working, I forget that the camera's there, and I forget to talk to the camera because there's nobody. It's just weird for me because there's nobody there to talk to now. There was somebody here to chop it up with. It'll be totally different. I'll be a different human. But since nobody's there, it's crazy for me. Like, for the guys that know me, the people that know me, they know I don't act like that. But if they were here, it'll be a totally different video. But they're not. So it's just different for me. It's crazy for me, like, because I see the neighbors out and I'm just a little nervous and like embarrassed that they see me with a camera. So it's a new territory for me. So y'all just bear with me, and if y'all hold it down, if y'all just have the patience, then maybe it'll bloom into something awesome. And well, let's get started with the front end. Well, I installed the fan already, the windmill, on my Mastrosa, but you should get away from the fan. You should get away from the fan and go with the E-fans. Eventually, I'm gonna do the same, but for now, I'm gonna put this because I don't have E-fans. Obviously, I don't have them on, but you should stray away from this. This actually takes away your horsepower, a little bit of your horsepower, and if you add your E-fans, obviously you'll get it back. But this just drags the engine. Also, I installed the hood. It's usually always better to have two people, like you and somebody else, because if you do it by yourself, it's just gonna be harder. I mean, I'm not saying you can't do it by yourself, but you're just gonna have a harder time. So might as well have somebody. In this case, I had my wife. She had to come out and help me and do the damn thing. But it's on already. It's good. I mean, it's a line on the first try, so that's awesome. We didn't have to tweak it or nothing. We just put it on, and we just got lucky on this one. But sometimes you just gotta tweak it, and you start moving these bolts around. You just like don't tighten them up all the way. Just leave them a little loose. That way you can shift it, and wherever you have it, wherever you want it, you just tighten it up right where you want it. And yeah, man, that's it. As you see, I installed on this video. I installed the hood, the fan, the grill, the lights, the bumper. That's a good little accomplishment for me, because I've been wanting to see it on already for a while. The next thing I have planned for this truck, and hopefully that's what we do next on the next video, is dropping the truck or tuning it. So it's gonna be either or, one of those. So, or maybe both. Who knows? Well, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys like it, subscribe, and share it. Tell your friends, whoever, whatever, just watch it. If not, it's alright. And if you guys have any questions on what I'm doing or what I've done or whatever, just leave a comment and I'll try to get back to you. Thank you.